The key influencer visual helps you understand the factors that drive a metric you are interested in. So under visualization pane, please select the key influencer chart. Let's say we want to analyze our sales based on the city and subcategory and say region. So let's see how to read this chart. What influences sales to say decrease? It is when the subcategory is fasteners, the average of sales is decreased by this much. And here we also see a chart. So sales is more likely to decrease when subcategory is fasteners than otherwise.